And when you start to do the Awakening curriculum, you become very, very aware of that drive in you. And what I would like to talk about today, it's that drive in you towards destructive behavior. It's when you know something is bad for you to do and you still do it. It's when you know that, oh, you shouldn't do that, or you shouldn't say that, or you shouldn't, you have a very, very clear sense, very clear knowledge, maybe from experience, that you definitely should not, do that specific thing, whatever it is. It can be like abuse, a drug abuse. It can be about pattern abuse. It can be about self-harm, and it can be about relationships. It can be about anything. You know you shouldn't do it, and yet you still do. For a lot of people, that is really puzzling. It's really complicated to understand why you keep seeking out destructive patterns when there's no need to. And we're back to the sentence that I said before, that for some people, abuse feels like love and love feels like abuse. If you have a coding in you from very, very early age where abuse was how you felt connected to your parents, it might be verbal abuse, emotional abuse, sexual abuse, intellectual abuse, physical abuse. It might be anything like that. But that was tied into how it is in our family, because when we abuse the children in whichever way, we're not aware that there's anything wrong with it. We believe that this is how it is. And it's not until we get older that we find out that, oh, hang on, it's not like it is. Other families don't do that. And then you start to think, oh, so is there something wrong with me? Since this is happening to me, am I doing something wrong? Am I the bad one? Am I somehow flawed since this is happening to me? And those deductions were made with a child's psychology, with a child emotional maturity. But you still carry it around. You're still motivated by the same thing. I have spoken with a lot of people that have experienced abuse as children and are in loving, compassionate, wonderful relationships, but still they're seeking outside of the marriage or the relationship danger or destructive behavior. And it just shows that underlying belief that we have, that underlying recognition that we have of a destructive behavior is so much more motivating than anything we can think with our conscious mind. And of course, 95% of you is subconscious.